Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify GPU acceleration settings in DaVinci Resolve, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify GPU acceleration settings in DaVinci Resolve, first, launch the application on your computer. Once DaVinci Resolve opens, navigate to the top menu bar. Click on DaVinci Resolve if you are on a Mac, or File if you are on Windows. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. In the Preferences window, find and click on the System tab. Under the System tab, locate the Memory and GPU section. Here, you will see the GPU configuration options. Check whether Use GPU for processing is enabled. Next, look for the drop-down menu labeled GPU processing mode. You will typically have options such as Auto, OpenCL. Once your selection is made, click on the Save button to apply the changes. To further confirm that GPU acceleration is working properly, navigate to the Project Settings. You can find Project Settings. In the Project Settings window, click on the Master Settings tab. Scroll down to find the Optimized Media and Render Cache section. Make sure that the Use GPU for Render Cache option is selected. You may also want to check the render cache format to optimize performance. Once all settings are verified, click Save to exit Project Settings. You can now return to your timeline and begin editing. To test GPU performance, render a section of your project. Observe if rendering times improve, confirming that GPU acceleration is functioning. If you experience issues, revisit the preferences and ensure all settings are correctly configured. Following these steps ensures that your GPU acceleration is optimized for use in DaVinci Resolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.